Hello Alaska, Ben Linford here with Linford of Alaska. We're celebrating 50 years with the greatest hits tour of great restaurants and recipes. Today we're at the top of the Captain Cook at the famous Crow's Nest restaurant with Chef de Cuisine Cameron Richardson. What would you say is the signature dish of the Crow's Nest?
Signature would be our pork chop. It's a fabulous cut. We brine it for 24 hours and then we cook it in the circulator and sous vide for about an hour, if not more. If you think about the flavors, it's more of a wintertime, fall-time dish with butternut squash and brown butter and hazelnuts, but it works all year long.
Let's talk a little bit about the liquid part of the Crow's Nest, the wine cellars.
It's really nice to have the availability of that extensive of a wine list. Typically the food informs the wine with different ingredients and flavor profiles of every course or every dish. So we have our double cut Duroc pork chop that's been cooked in the circulator. I'm gonna season it, salt and white pepper, put it right on the grill. So while this is just about done, I got a hot pan ready to go. I'm gonna add some grapeseed oil to it, pull it off. We're gonna put this score side down. So after the pork chop comes out of the pan, we have apple balls that we use with a melon baller, cipollini onions, and pork jowl. And we'll season the apple balls with a little black pepper. Add our Brussels sprout leaves and toasted hazelnuts. And once we start to get color on the apple balls and the cipollini onion, just deglaze with a little vegetable stock. And now we're gonna plate. We have our roasted butternut squash puree, goes down on the plate. Our finished pork chop goes right on top of that. The sauce is a bourbon maple demi, it's right over the top. And then our sides, apple balls, cipollini onion, and Brussels sprouts with hazelnuts and pork jowl. And that's our Duroc pork chop.
The Greatest Hits Cookbook, featuring recipes from Alaska's most beloved restaurants, available to pre-order now.